Good morning, guys. It's Monday morning. It is September 2nd, actually. I did record a few clips for last week, but I never ended up posting them. But today has actually been one of the hottest days of the past month, probably. It is amazing. I was finally able to step up to the plate and do well. I'll actually pull up my own tracker. This is my day trade tracker, and you guys can use it as well. It's free to use. But yeah, I took about 15 trades today, and it counts as 15, but technically I took a few half trades. So I bought in at a price, and then I sold a bit higher, and then a bit higher than that or lower. Just selling half my position, right? So today I made, let's see, calendar, $311, and that is on an account that has about $1,000 now. It should be 1,206. So that's great. The stocks where I made the most money, yeah, SSKN came up later at 8 a.m. This one, I made money over here, most of my money over there. Then I missed this whole move. I didn't really see a pullback. I couldn't really get in. So I just waited, and it was also initially starting off on light volume. Well, not really, but from what I saw, it just didn't look very. It just looked difficult to trade over here because I couldn't see pullbacks, right? If you're up here buying and you get flushed over here, you're gonna get chopped out, and then again, similar thing. So I got in when I saw a 1 minute pullback. I got a little out of it, not too much. Over here, I actually got stopped out because it flushed down, so on a false break. I think it did make a new high, then false break. Over here, again, made some more money, but more carefully with tighter stops. This is too cheap. It's nice. I mean, it's moving, but too cheap and has a higher float. ADN. I actually ended up losing money on ADN. I took a dip trade down here, I believe, or here, and it just kept flushing down, so I had to get out. UUU. This one was great as well. This is 650. I didn't actually take trades here, but well, I believe I actually took 2 losses on this, and then as it came back up over here, I made money. Similar over here, but around $6, I was kind of scalping lower trades, not making much, so I just avoided trading much of it. TBH, one I had on watch, didn't really do anything. SHFS, this one was great as well, made me money, not over here but over here. I took this dip trade, I believe, and made a decent bit. I also took this dip trade, got up here, and that's where I made majority of my money for this stock. I can actually find my. Oh, that didn't work. Let's remove it. I can actually find how much money I made on each stock. It would be right here, P&L, and yeah, right here, SSKN 269, SHFS 155, and then I mean I could go here, and ADN is a $71 loser. UUU is still a loser. It's not a complete winner because I took a few bigger losses on it. And honestly, I don't even need this. I could actually use a tracker to figure this out. Right here, I can just go to stock analysis, and then SSKN, took a couple trades on this. This was my win rate. Had 100% win rate on it. SHFS, 66% win rate, and took 1 loss on it, 2 bigger wins. And then we want to look for what's the next one? UUU. Here. Yeah, so best trade, losing trade, basically similar, but I took more losses on this. Just wasn't very easy to trade in my opinion, so I stopped trading after that. It's about 850. I don't really think I'm gonna take any more trades. However, if something presents itself at 9, I'll probably end up taking it. Friday was a small green day, I believe, and similar day before. Oh no, today's actually Tuesday, not Monday. Tuesday's the second, and on Thursday I actually had a pretty big red day, so that was a little unfortunate. I went from green day of like $50 down to a pretty big $150 loss or $130 loss, but I made back about $100 on Friday, and I believe I don't have the trades imported yet, but $100 on Friday, and then today a $300 day, so I'm at an all-time high now with my account. So anyways, thank you guys for tuning in to today's market recap. I'll probably be posting probably tomorrow, depending on how hot the day is and how much there really is for momentum. I'll trade and post it, or I'll trade and post the day after, where I have more results than just one day of trading. Alright, well, thank you guys. I'll see you guys soon.